हॅलो माय डिअर फ्रेंड्स, बॅक टू माय चॅनल. आज आपण क्लास 7चे सब्जेक्ट जनरल सायन्स लेसन नंबर 11 सेल स्ट्रक्चर अँड मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम याची एक्सरसाइज बघणार आहोत. चला तर मग आपल्या व्हिडिओला सुरू करूया. क्वेश्चन 1. आन्सर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन्स. A. What is a cell? The structural and functional unit of the body is called a cell. B. Name the different organelles in a cell. Nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, Golgi body, lysosomes, mitochondria, plant states, vacuoles are all different cells organelles. Question C. What are microorganisms? The living organisms on the earth which are in every environment but can be seen only under compound microscope are called microorganisms. D. Which are the different types of organisms? Answer. Bacteria, virus, fungi, algae and protozoa are all the different types of microorganisms. Question 2. Fill in the blanks with the proper word. A. The organelle called the plastids is present plant cells only. Answer is plastids. B. Garbage is covered into fertilizers by microorganisms. Answer is fertilizers. C. In the cell, photosynthesis is carried out with the help of chloroplast. Answer is chloroplast. D. An electron microscope is necessary for the study of microbes, cell organelles. Answer is microbes and cell organelles. Question 3. What is difference between us? A. Plant cell and animal cell. We can see first plant cell. First, plant cell have a cell wall. Second, plant cell contain large vacuoles. Third, chloroplasts are present in plant cell. Animal cell. First, animal cells do not have cell wall. Second, animal cell contains small vacuole. Third, chloroplasts are present in animal cells. B. Prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell. First, prokaryotic cell shows presence of nucleoid. Second, it have lac membrane bound organelles. Eukaryotic cell. First, eukaryotic cell shows presence of nucleus. Second, it has shown presence of membrane bound organelles. Question 4. Sketch and describe in your own word the plant cell and animal cell. आधी आपण प्लांट सेल बघून घेऊ आणि ते तुम्हाला नोटबुकमध्ये ड्रॉइंग करायची आहे, स्केच करायचं आहे. आता त्याचं आपण डेफिनेशन्स बघू. प्लांट सेल. फर्स्ट, देअर इज cellulose cell wall in plant cells which is the outermost covering of the cell. Second, inside the cell wall, there is a plasma membrane that encloses cytoplasm. Cell organelles are embedded in the cytoplasm. Third, plastid is an important cell organelle present only in plant cells. Of these, chloroplast perform photosynthesis. Four, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, mitochondria are the cell organelles present in the cytoplasm. 5. Vacuole is usually single and large. Since it is present in the certain of the cell, the cytoplasm is pushed to one end. Animal cell. This is a sketch of the animal cell. Animal cells. First, the outermost covering is plasma membrane. Second, inside there is cytoplasm in which the cell organelles are embedded. Third, the cell organelles are as following: nucleus, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, and many smaller vacuoles. Question 5. Explain the uses and the harmful effects of microorganisms. Uses of microorganisms. First, microorganisms decompose the waste and sewage water. Second, by the process of decomposition, they keep the environment clean. Fertilizers are repaired from wastage by these processes. With the help of biogas plant, the biogas is prepared by the microorganisms. Third, the microbes residing in the soil and in the root nodules of leguminous plants help in biological nitrogen fixation. This helps in increasing fertility of soil and also in increasing the protein content of seeds in legumes. Harmful effects of microorganisms. Microorganisms cause diseases like malaria, dengue, elephantiasis, yellow fever, chikungunya, Zika fever, etc. These diseases are caused after mosquito transfer the microbes into human body. Common cold, cough, diphtheria, pneumonia, tuberculosis are diseases of respiratory tract which are caused by microbes. Question 6. Give any scientific reasons. A. Diseases spread on a large scale during period of heavy rainfall and floods. The spread of diseases is most likely during heavy rainfall and floods. The water and food gets contaminated. The water logging causes growth of microorganisms and houseflies. They spread the pathogens rapidly. The humid atmospheric induces food spoilage. Even if flowed water resides, the puddle formed helps in the breeding of mosquitoes. All such reasons are responsible for epidemic spread of diseases. B. There is a possibility of food poisoning if we eat stale food. The stale food is likely to have microbes in it. Some of microbes produced enterotoxics. The enterotoxins cause food poisoning. Therefore, there is a possibility of food poisoning if we eat stale food. C. Soil is turned cover during tilling. There are some useful bacteria in the soil. They help to decompose organic substances like into inorganic nutrients. Thereby, they produce fertilizers. Some microbes also help in nitrogen fixation. They help the plants to get nitrogen. Thus, to have better yield of crop, the soil is turned over during tilling to mix the bacteria. D. Fungus grow quickly in moist or humid conditions. The fungus needs suitable conditions for the growth. The moist and humid conditions are favorable to it. It does not grow in dry conditions. E. A refrigerator is used in almost every home. The harmful microbes do not grow in cold temperature. They grow only in the temperature range of 15 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. Refrigerator has very low temperatures. Food can be stored there without spoiling. Therefore, to store perishable food items, refrigerators have become essential in every home. F. Bread rises during baking. When the bread is prepared, yeast is added to it. Yeast is a type of fungus. It undergoes process of fermentation in the batter of bread and release carbon dioxide. Therefore, the bread rises during baking. G. Fodder is soaked in water before offering to cattle. By adding the fodder into water, it is fermented. By fermentation, the vitamin content rises in the fodder. It also becomes easier for digestion. The cattle is thus well nourished. Therefore, fodder is soaked in water before offering to cattle. Question 7. When will you use a simple microscope and when a compound microscope? Explain in detail how you will use them. हे जरा मोठं आन्सर आहे. First, simple microscope is of laser magnification. One can observe insect parts or parts of flowers under such microscopes. Second, compound microscope is required for the observation of microbes. Third, here magnification 200 to 450 times. It is therefore useful for observation of cells and tissues. The ocular and objective lenses are brought in one line. Before that, the mirror is adjusted for optimum light. 7. The magnified view of the object is seen through the eyepiece. 8. The coarse focus comb is adjusted first and then with fine focus comb the accurate focusing is done. And the last one point is 9. In this way, simple microscope is used for general observation and compound microscope is used for specialized observation that require greater magnification. तर इथे आपला एक्सरसाइज संपले.